Guys, welcome back again to another video. So this is a new update. People know that when I see new updates like this, why would I not come at my people? So all of you, they said that we should go and get new birth certificate, and this birth certificate they call it what? NPC. Have you an NPC? NPC, let me read it out. It is called National Population Commission Certificate. So they now have one hat. I was like, kilo shit, why are people telling us to go and get birth certificate? And this one, as we are staying in Nigeria, I don't know if it's valid for other country, but I'm talking for my country, Nigeria. People know that I have people in my chest like this. You people know, and I'm here to serve you. You know that if you're a normal Nigerian, you are not going anywhere, you don't need it. But they say that you people that you are traveling out, you need your NNPC what? Birth certificate. So as the research screen that I asked, what is this NNPC certificate? Sorry, birth certificate. Why is it different from normal one? Is birth certificate not birth certificate? Eh? And that's why I read one hat that they say NNPC. What's the article? They said, and I quote you, birth certificate issued from hospital, churches, mosques, they never even put an, are not accepted as legal birth certification for presentation in schools, embassies, immigration purposes, visa, etc. So therefore, Nigerians or foreigners, Nigerians plus foreigners, whether you're in Nigeria, whether you're a foreigner in Nigeria, NNPC is National Population Commission. So I think it's all over the world. I don't know, but they shall say Nigeria. This one is in their website too. So Nigerians and foreigners, you have to obtain this NNPC, this thing. I'm not like, why are you people stressing our life in this Nigeria? But then a good news is because the thing is not stressful. Do like this. Do like this. So in Nigeria, as at when I'm making this video, we have about 7,000 NNPC centers in Nigeria. Like if you look to your left, NNPC center, look to your right, NNPC center, to your front, NNPC. Like NNPC, just type it on Google, NNPC center near me. That's National Population Commission Center near me. Just type it, it's very easy to find. So that's is even good, you get. So, and most places you can actually find this NNPC is like all these public hospitals, right? All these public big hospitals. You can actually get it in public hospitals, healthcare centers, or anything, but it's not scarce, right? It's very cheap. There's even one close to my house here. So it's very easy to find. Like when I say we have up to more than 7,000 NNPC center in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. So they said if you know your birth certificate is from, they gave you from church, they gave you in the hospital, or they gave you in the, how can we know whether they gave us in church or hospital? Is it me that born myself? Am I me? Now me collect them. Are they there? So you ask your mother. For those of you that still have mother, you ask your father. Or if you cannot ask, there's a way you can check it. So, and this one is for future people that are getting pregnant or anything. Don't collect birth certificate from church, from hospital, from this thing. They are not legal tender unless you don't want to travel out. You got me? So then I say, how do we want to get it to? How we can get it? We will locate the nearest NNPC between us, right? So what are the documents that you need? You go to court. You go and swear in court. I swear my name is this. I swear my age is this. I swear I can't do. So you go to court, you go and do affidavit of birth. When you get to court, once you are getting to court, any court in Nigeria, any court in Nigeria, before you highlight from the back, do that because affidavit. You don't even have to judge. You just tell me what to do. Affidavit of birth certificate. They will take you in. They will type this thing. They will go and give it to lawyer or anything. They will tell you to hold the Bible and swear. I swear. If you like, go and swear and lie. Standard of fire you. Don't go and lie, yo. So you need affidavit of court, and then is means of ID, whether your international passport, your national ID card, your voter's card, not student card. Make sure it is something of national. You need your ID card at national, national or international level. Maybe like your national ID card, your voter's card, your NIN, your international passport, your driver's license. Which other ID in Nigeria? Driver's license. Which ID in Nigeria again? You don't finish. So then your passport photograph. But wait, how are they supposed to put my passport photograph? As an adult I am. Imagine collecting, showing people your birth certificate that was born in 1990 something, and the birth certificate is having picture of my adulthood. How did it tally? That passport photograph here, I did not really feel it. I did not really, because my birth certificate is supposed to have my baby face, not now that I'm adult, that I'm wearing hair. He's not more birth certificate. He's not more. He's like, anyways. So, and then another thing is, you actually need a guarantor, just in case you are lying or anything. So, and the guarantor must be 5 years older than you. So, if you're 20 years old and you're going to the court to go and sue this thing, so anybody that is following must be at least 5 years older than you. And this your guarantor as well this your guarantor, English is hard. This your guarantor as well has to hold their own document that I've mentioned: photo, passport photograph, ID card at national level, voters card, that I've mentioned earlier, and then then affidavit in court too, that they are other than you, that they know you in person, they know when you were born, they know the date, they know the time, that they are not going to lie. So that person too will do affidavit of guarantor. When you get to the courts, they will tell you. So all you are going to do is you now carry all these documents. After doing the affidavit and everything, then you locate the nearest NNPC near you, then give them the document. So they will actually give you a form to fill. It's not supposed to take you all the 500 naira or 200 naira. I don't know, depending on how you dress there, depending on how they see you as fine girl. Because somebody like me, when I'm going there, I used to dress like a mad person. They will even be pitying me. So depending on how you dress, maybe 500 is just a small amount of money, right? 500 or anything. So they will actually, when you get to what's it called? When you actually get to NPC, anyone near you, right, they'll actually give you a form to fill, or they'll fill it for you, or they'll do it on the computer, depending on the advanced one you go. So they'll write your data, your clinical, your all of those information in the listing, and then witness, and then after that one is filled, and that's it. So after that one, they'll actually cross-check it. I don't know what's there, but when you get it, they'll tell you what's there. So the thing is, before I actually finish, there are two types of birth certificates. We have the NNPC birth certificate and the normal birth certificate. The NNPC birth certificate is called the National Population Commission birth certificate, and the normal birth certificate is the birth certificate that we like this that we got. So the normal birth certificate, it was issued after 1992, while the NNPC certificate is like attestation of birth. So the normal birth certificate, so all this one they are doing is for you to come and collect what's the normal birth certificate. So yeah, like I said, the normal birth certificate was actually issued after 1992. So that means this video is for people that are born less than 1992. Wait, we did 2022 minus 1992. 30, people that are 30. Well, I cannot calculate anything at this moment. So if you know you're born, your what's it called, your age range, be your age bracket, what's that English say? You were born less than 1992. This is you that you have to go and do NNPC, because whichever birth certificate you show there is not accepted, because I think NNPC was actually established 1992, I've been 1991, I've been 1990. They started issuing normal birth certificate that they gave me after 1992. So if you know you were born before 1992, this video is for you. You have to go to the nearest NNPC near you and do all the things that I've explained to you. If you carry that one or before NNPC clinic, they will not collect it though. And these countries that actually give this thing the most, that tell somebody the most, is what? Austria. It's Austria that I know that they are doing this. I don't know about any embassy yet, but Austria does this. Anything that Austria, I don't even know for them. I don't know. So they are the one that does this the most. So whether you're going to Austria, whether you're going for anything, make sure you do that NNPC. Like I said, it's not expensive. We have over 7,000 centers in the world. In Nigeria, it's easy for you to get access to. Just go there. Just guys, it's not take you up to how many seconds. And when you go to court for the affidavit, they already have the templates there. They'll just do, you take it to the lawyer, they'll just sign for you, pay like 500 naira, anything. You carry maybe your father, your mother, somebody that is 5 years older than you, to go and swear that and the thing is, you can firstly go to NNPC first to go and ask, maybe they have a lawyer there, so it's not a hard thing. So it's better you do it. Make sure you do it before you go and submit your visa application for Russia, because if in Austria, because you can submit it and they deny you, my dear, my brother, you spend another money. But like I said, all this thing will not even cost up to 2,000 naira, 1,000 naira or anything. So if you want to locate the nearest NNPC near your national population, just type it on Google. Just type NPC, National Population Commission near me, or go to all these big public hospitals. Every city in Nigeria actually have all these big general hospitals. They're always there. So just count it. And when you collect this certificate, you have this national NPC, National Population Commission. So that is a certified birth certificate. People born less than before 1992. Next time in your next life, you wait for us to come after 1997. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Wait. Okay, me, I'm 96. So that means if you are less than 30 years, thank you. So anybody that is more than 30 years, yes, this video is for you. I've just calculated the more than, yes, 1992 to 2022 is 30 years. So if you are more than 30 years, yes, you need to go and collect your NNPC certificate. If not, so guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching, and bye.